Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be looking at on how to create instant messages for WhatsApp. So first off, what you need to do is go to your mailing boss and create a list, or if you already have a list you can just choose your list and edit it. But first we're going to create one over here, adding the name, the display name, and a description. I'm not going to put anything. I'm going to click OK. Just like so, we're going to choose next. Once it is saved, you can go over here to create your custom fields. And the most important part of this to adding your fields is you have to add a phone number text and the prefix. Just remember to add these both, because if you guys don't, it will not work and your list will not show up on the instant messages. Once you do that, you can go ahead and save changes. Once we saved it, we're going to go over to instant messages right over here. And we're going to create new. Once you click on create new, you're going to have to name it. I'm just going to put tutorial. You can select the type if you want an autoresponder or a regular. I'm just going to select regular, and what app you want, if you want for a WhatsApp or SMS. So I'm going to leave it at WhatsApp. And my list over here, you see that I had a bunch of lists for mailing boss, but only this one is showing for instant messages. It is because I selected the enable prefix and phone number on the fields option. So we're going to click on it, and over here you can select your segment if you want to. You can also select least score minimum and maximum. Over here you can put your message in. I'm just going to write this is a test. You can select a couple tags, and you can also send only to users with a certain tag. But once you do that, you can go down to over here, save and active. Once you activate it, it is going to show up just like this, and the status is going to be pending sending because it's already sending your message. You can over here, you can pause it, you can duplicate it, you can copy it, and you can also go to your list or go to the other message that you like. This is basically how you guys create your instant message. There is another way to create one also. It is over here on the workflow. You can come over here, select on list, drag it around, click on the green arrow, go over here to autoresponder instant message. And this is only going to be a autoresponder message, so just be sure that nothing's going to show up over here just because I didn't create a autoresponder. So if you guys didn't, make sure you do before doing so. And you can also go to over here and drag the instant message out and select your list right over here. Once you click OK, it will be linked, and you can start setting it up from here. I'm not going to do so just because I just did on the other one. But once you guys set everything up, you need to go to your editor. And over here, we need to add an email marketing form. And to add an email marketing form, just because I already have one, I'm just going to show you how you would do so. It's right over here. You just want to click on it and select which one you like. Once you have it, you can right click, click configure, choose the mailing boss, and over here, you guys see the instant message tutorial. If I click on it, the phone number and the prefix will be added. And once this is in your website, you are pretty much set up. Your clients are going to be able to put their phone number and select the prefix, so they are sent to your mailing boss list for your instant messages. This is how you guys set up your instant messages. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.